It has been Mercadero and Alarcon for the Lens Buddies. 3-point shot. No good there by the Talio Estrella. Trying to single-handedly carry his team in this game. Oh, that's a turnover. Good start here for the Wasalak team. Substitution number 12 out. This is only an 8-point lead with Eric. Pero 1 minute na lang ang natitira para sa Wasalak team. They needed a conversion here. Makaspak puts one up. Good line. Pero masyadong malakas. Datalio. No good there, and Mercadero has the ball.
Ay, putang ina, ilang foul! Rap! Harapan!
Yan mo na, huwag na kayo.